I've been vlogging forever. I'm with Ashley. Oh wait, my finger. Oh wow. So here we're doing sumo deadlifts. Ashley's doing her set, and then after her, I'm gonna go in 3, 2, 1. Boom. There we go. Yes, yes, yes. Get into it. Get into it. I'm doing a voiceover because there's music and it's sped up, so yeah, I'm just talking over. And now doing some pull-ups. And then Ashley goes. I haven't done pull-ups in so long, so this was just tiring. But yeah, you go, girl. And then she's doing chin-ups here. Look at her. Look at her, all strong. Yes, we love to see it. And now we're doing hip thrusts. She was also helping me by giving me tips on how to better my form and whatnot. So yeah, love that. And here I'm yawning. I just keep yawning throughout the whole session, but Ashley's turn to do her set. She's gonna hold it right there. That freaking burns. And then one of the last things we did was, what are these called? Kickbacks, yeah. And then we did more pull-ups after. We also did single leg RDLs, but I didn't film that. So yeah, we just finished off with some more pull-ups. Look at her. Look at Ashley. It's the gains for me. Look at that. So we are here with Connie now. From the gym to now.
I didn't go to the gym.
Oh, well, me and Ashley did. And then now we got Connie. We're going to go get KBBQ with Stephanie. Whoa. So yeah.
Oh, my hair doesn't look, oh, no, just kidding.
Yeah. So we took pictures of Ashley. We had a little photo shoot. She had a little photo shoot.
These two girls, they made it possible.
We got her. Honey. So yeah. We're here. Oh, I love the song. You guys look so cute. I don't want to get copyrighted though.
Oh, you're recording.
You know.
Just cover it up.
Yeah. Woo, we're here. We're gonna eat Korean barbecue. So yeah. Korean barbecue. I need to pee.
Take your cut off. Why am I scared? Oh, I barely cut you. Gonna get it. Oh wait. I'll just pour for everybody. Yeah, pour for everybody.
Why did I miss you? I was funny here while watching you. I know.
It's gonna be a while. I know. I feel like it's gonna be.
Oh yeah, that's right. So Ashley's driving Stephanie's truck. Ooh, and it's stick shift.
Yeah, you can put it in neutral.
Yeah.
Okay. When you turn it on, put both in.
Turn this
okay.
off. It just looks.
No, you want to put
I'm backwards.
clutch and the brake in.
We're rolling.
We're really good.
Then slowly let go of the clutch.
Yeah.
And then the brake too. Or if you want to let go of the brake first and then the
They're
clutch.
both broke. Okay.
Then go. Here you go.
And then.
Okay.
We're like recording it.
Slowly let go of the clutch. And then accelerate a bit.
Ooh.
There you go. Yeah.
Is
Okay.
it a one? She said, I'm gonna rev my little truck.
You have the clutch in?
Okay, clutch is in.
Clutch is in. So let's put it. We're in first right now.
Okay.
So you're gonna slowly let go.
Oh, my
So
shit.
there you go. Oh, there you go. There you go. So you're in first right now.
Okay, I'm in first right now. Every time I want to clutch, every time I want to go shift,
Shift. Yes. You put it in the
I have
clutch.
to clutch and to go to.
Yes.
Okay.
And when you brake,
Imagine the waiter.
I know.
The waiter finds like. Oh my god!
I'm so excited. I should know what's around it.
Oh my god, really? I'd love to learn.
I'm like so. I'm geeking out. You have no idea. Love to have some.
Okay. One more round.
You wanna go? Yeah.
Go where?
Go.
Go
Just
where?
Around the whole parking lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She's like that.
Wow, she's driving like this is her car.
Right?
There she is.
She's like, I drive stick.
I
Hell
know.
yeah.
Hot girls drive stick. I'm the only one that doesn't know yet. But I'm still hot girl.
Oh, no.
Clutch.
Yes. What? That's so hard to pretend we did it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then go to
Neutral.
Yes.
Okay, and if I want
I forgot you had to do all that.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
My brain can't think that
Right?
fast, guys. Neutral.
I
I can barely drive a regular car. It's not, what I mean by not that bad, it's like, it's not that
Oh,
far.
Oh,
Look at her
I
turning.
know.
Slowing down and turning and not dying. And not dying?
Do you want to try it again, but try to speed up a bit and try to go to third?
Yeah.
Let's do it again.
Okay.
Ooh, okay. We're going to
Oh, I
3?
got last shirt.
She's going to 3?
Third
Third base.
Don't you feel like a little race car driver?
Here, should I go through?
Let's go
Over there.
Yeah, over there.
Okay,
yeah.
less people in case I run into people.
Nah, you would. It's worse.
And-
The one thing that I do like about stick shift is that it makes me more aware of the road.
Oh, that's good.
That I know people that say at some point you become you do everything so automatically.
Okay.
There you go. Nice. Wow.
Stephanie made me a driver.
Can you see in the light? This is Stephanie's car. Once it comes
Can't
into the
even
light,
see
I
it.
know.
It
Ooh.
has a
Her
suspense.
car is so. Her truck is so cute.
It's heck of cute.
Yeah. Hey.
Wait, no, of course, no.
You're good at teaching. That's simple. She made it
Yeah.
simple.
Well, Ashley was able to
very patient.
confirm she did not forget stick shift.
I'm at Stephanie's kind of dark, but we're here.
Yeah,
we're waiting
so
for
we're
Connie.
having logistic issues.
Yeah, we don't have our tickets, so we're gonna see what's gonna happen.
We can't even find them. They don't exist.
I know, so we're gonna try to figure this out. We're gonna try to finesse and see.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at my makeup. Okay.
It looks so cute.
I know. Me too.
I am kind of hungry though.
I know. We're gonna get some food first.
Yeah. Whatever. I kind of just want to stop the tickets issue first.
I know. Like,
Yeah.
we'll see. Hopefully, we get in.
Yeah.
We will find out in a bit. So we ate Taco Bell, and we're currently trying to get in parking. And we're gonna see what time is it right now. It's 8 o'clock.
So we got 6 hours.
Yeah, so we're gonna see how the rest of this night goes. It's been pretty chaotic so far, but you know, at least we're full.
I bought the tickets. We just don't have them.
We bought the tickets. They just didn't print out because it wasn't showing up.
Our money? Well, they took your
They took
They
took our money.
Yeah, they didn't give
us
a
our ticket.
receipt. So there's that. We tried to go about it online, but then it said error. So it's like, what do we do now? So we're currently walking. It's kind of sprinkling.
It's sprinkling.
There's Connie with
They
her Taco Bell.
told us we would be able to get our tickets. So
Yeah, we're walking a little farther because there's so many cars. Wait, whatever. So we are.
Yeah, we went in a long line for nothing or what?
Huh? It's sprinkling. Hopefully it doesn't rain. But yeah, we're going in. They found our tickets. Yay. Here we are. I'm freaking scared. Shiver me freaking timbers.
Shiver me fucking timber.
Timbers. Here we are. Not scary farm.
Oh, look at us. Where? Right there.
That's us post life.
Post live.
We know.
So we're going to Ghost Town. Bro. Wait, do people like walk around and scare you and stuff?
There's like areas.
Areas? Okay, oh my god. I'm so scared. I just. Ah, wait, no. Hold me. Like on the other side. Go on the other side. Put me between you guys.
Hold your horses, girl.
Oh my god. I don't want anyone to go up my neck. Like, my legs are shaking. My legs are freaking shaking, bro. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna pass out.
Literally only one person wants you. Calm down.
See, the thing is, cause me, I don't do spooky. You know, I don't do this scary shit, bro. So my pits are sweating. My legs are shaking. I'm breathing hard.
People want to see me.
So maybe they're prepared to have it.
Right? It's like
Yeah.
there used to be more things right?
Gosh. So we're in line for a maze. What maze is this?
something.
The line for the bathroom.
Yeah. Fast pass. Yeah, so far, you know, we're chilling. Our first maze. We'll see how that goes. I'll bring you along with me. Oh gosh, okay, yeah, hold on to me. Where's Stephanie? Stephanie.
Hello, girls.
Hello. You want to say hi to the camera?
How are you doing? Hi, how are you? Welcome to Mesmer.
Oh my gosh, wait, Stephanie! Stephanie! Wait, oh my gosh.
Girl, if you don't fucking let go, right? I'll hold you. I should do collab. I should look at that. Look at that one. Hi.
Your body is shrinking. Welcome.
Oh, you can see my makeup. So narrow.
Your anchor instinct. Skin
Wow.
has two sides. The outer and
Oh, this should've gotten you. You're okay. You're fine. Keep going. Oh, look how pretty. I don't want to look. Ooh. This is a cute little theme. It's like circusy. Why are your eyes calling me out? Is it moving or is it outside moving? Wait, I'm confused. I'm dizzy.
beneath your feet.
Stephanie, help me. Girl! Oh. Girl, don't get my nose. Gulamot.
Forward.
Oh, look at that one. Ugh, gross. Ew. Look at you.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm sweating, bro.
we're jumping out.
Yeah. So I survived. You know, I keep my eyes closed. I know.
She
70%.
did it. How did you survive horror nights?
I had my eyes closed throughout the whole.
Really?
All throughout the maze, my eyes are closed, and we had like 2 guy friends, so I was literally like this the whole time. She literally called me out. She was like, "Why are your eyes closed?" Totally fine. Totally fine out here. I'm okay. Yeah.
We're
Give me a tomorrow. Let's look out. Yeah. So we're in line for maze number 2.
We're gonna do all 9.
Go.
All 9.
All 9? Sheesh. Sheesh.
Down to the maze.
Maze number 3? Maze number 3.
Visages sculpted from the
So we're taking a little break. We have a little sangria, margarita. Chilling.
When I get to 9.
How are you doing?
Good.
Good.
We're thirsty.
Yeah.
Some weenie shit. I'm kidding.
Take a little break. We're like grandmas.
Tired.
My girl cannot go alone in mazes. I have to go on 3. You know, I'm a brand new girl now. I can go.
Yeah, look at you.
Yeah, no linking arms, no closing eyes. Right, it's good. We still got 6 mazes? 6 more to go.
6 more. Okay.
We're in another maze now.
Thanksgiving spirit Halloween. Thank you for decorations.
I'm not clinging on. I'm not clinging on.
Wow. I don't remember it being like this. Oh my god.
Okay. That concludes Not Scary Farm. We completed 7 mazes. 7 out of 9 mazes. That's pretty good. But also we got here late, so we would have gone through all of them if we came earlier. But you know, it was pretty chaotic and stuff like that, so it didn't happen.
Get the ticket.
Oh gosh. Okay.
I'm so tired. Like, what we just done.
I'm like so tired. Now it's all about being aware of our surroundings. Yeah, we're just finding the walking towards. Oh my gosh, can't see shit. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like this.
I don't like that I can't see.
I know. Oh my gosh. Anyways. Okay. All right. We're heading out.
Wait, is it this one? Oh yeah, because
Okay. Stephanie. We're all dead right now. We're grannies. It's 2 a.m. Past our bedtime. We're ready for bed. Yeah. So that concludes our night. Good night. So we're heading back home now. Stephanie's already knocked out in the back.
she's asleep.
Oh, that's her TAC. What's this one?
There's one in the middle. I didn't buy Jorgen.
The little, was it?
The green ghost.
The ghost.
I didn't buy him. I was really sad. Should have bought him.
It's okay, because we're gonna get the season pass.
No,
If we get this,
it's the only Halloween.
oh,
What were you
right.
saying? If you get the season pass.
If you get the season pass, does it still work for Not Scary For?
No.
Oh,
That's a special event.
good morning. We're going to get coffee at Tierra Mia. So
Yeah, I have only been there once.
I've gone there 2 times.
Yeah, with me.
With Connie. Yeah, Connie put me on the what was it? The horchata latte. So good. So good.
That's what I put you on too, right?
Yes, I like that.
Yeah.
I don't think you get
It's so good. Yeah.
I'm gonna get that too.
Stephanie's leaving. Bye, Stephanie.
Bye. Bye.
Ashley's leaving today. It's her last day. We're gonna have breakfast right now. So yeah.
Off Street Cafe.
Off Street Cafe. Yay, our food's here. I got an omelet, the Artesia omelet, and then Ashley got waffle with fitness waffle as yogurt, and then granola and fruits, and then our little sides over here. Yay!